Shower, but it's called a different song though. It's mixed up. The titles are mixed up.
We're all out here. We're all out here watching Randy trim his tree. Kristen is busy with her beer and her party songs.
Taking a shower. Hey, come here.
Did you buy any shoes, Kristen?
I did.
How many?
And then I found out that I have some at home.
You bought the same
I
shoes?
saw them in the store and I said, damn, I got these at home.
Oh my God. What did you say, Randy?
I said just after what you get it by.
Oh, really? Well, did you tell her what you told me about her shopping and I believed you?
Oh, I didn't.
Tell her.
Here it is. Oh, no.
Oh, she's not going to listen anyway. Never mind. We're boring.
Tell her.
This is Pam. Pam's age.
Oh, yeah. Yes, it is. That is right. That's military.
Big band.
They used to play that all the time in the military. World War II.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, wait, I got to show who else is here. Can you
Emma?
take that and take a picture of her on my shoulder so everybody can see that she's here too?
How do I do
No,
it?
all you do is,
Oh, turn it around.
yeah,
Off completely.
so that you can see. What are you going to do?
We're gonna cut ours completely down.
Yeah.
And then we're supposed to get